Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track your software development process using Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide. First up, we'll need to create a new base in Airtable where we'll track our software development process. This is the first step because it's like setting up your workspace. It's where all the magic happens. Click on Add a Base and select Start from Scratch. Name your base according to your project. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tables for each of your development stages. For instance, you might have tables like Backlog, In Progress, Testing, and Done. This helps us because it allows us to visualize and organize our software development process in a clear, linear manner. Next up, we'll create fields within these tables. These fields will represent the details of each task, such as task name, description, assigned to, due date, and status. The reason we do this is because it provides granular detail about each task and makes tracking progress a breeze. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is essentially building a relational database with a user-friendly interface, which means you can link records together for easy cross-referencing. Now, let's populate these tables with your tasks. Just click on Add a Record and fill in the details accordingly. This is important because it's how you'll keep track of what needs to be done and who's responsible for it. Lastly, we'll create views. Views are different ways to look at your data. For example, you can create a Kanban view to visualize your workflow or a calendar view to track due dates. This is important because it gives you a way to visualize your data that makes sense to you and your team. And there you have it. That's how you track a software development process using Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your tables, fields, and views organized and up to date. So start setting up your base today and make your software development process more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy tracking.